battle cats, but if I lose, I must grab my balls. Brought a couple of Ubers to carry me, as I'm out of shield piercers. I'm just gonna spam Jesus as he is the best non-pest Uber. Possessed Empress is a pretty difficult boss without shield piercers. Good thing Satori will help me, right? サトル is a useless bomb. Since Satoru didn't do anything, I'm now sending out Tomoe. Another baby cat was there and alright too though. Kai Hime. Satoru can be called 007, 0 damage dealt, 0 shield pierced, and 7 units not wasted. Another baby cat. Possessed Empress is a pretty cool enemy. Too bad we only got normal Empress cat. Oh, Empress also has some pretty good art on the big 34. Oh, Empress also has some pretty good art on the big 34. Another baby cat. Now I'm gonna save for another Kaihime. Kaihime! Baby cat. Another Tomoe, and I think I'm gonna win. She's pushing. Jaime, please save me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.